Okay, so next exercise we're going to go into then is going to be the mountain climbers, right? So there's two ways that we can do this. We can go from the same side, bring the legs and bringing that then to the arm, or we can cross over. So the left leg comes in through to the right arm and vice versa. So the way I'm going to show you both of those ways, okay? We'll make sure when we do this in that press up position is that you put the weight shift forward, okay, yeah, and not further back. If the weight shift is too far back, then you can feel it then in the lower back as well. Okay, so what we want to do is when we're in the mountain climber position, same old press up position, we're going to push ourselves forward, keeping the weight forward there. It's going to be a lot harder for you, but it's going to be a lot better for your back, and it's also, you're going to get a lot more like what we call the flexor chain as well at the same time. So, positional B, feet shoulder width, okay, as well as the hand shoulder width, and again, pushing the body weight forwards there. Okay, yeah, so we're not too far back here, and we're trying to do this like so, because you just won't make it, right? So from there, bringing the hips down. Okay, so the body's in one nice straight line, but then bringing yourself forward, so all of the weight comes forwards there. From that position, then you're going to grab the leg, pull the leg in, get it to touch the arm on the same side, like so, nice and controlled. So you're using your abdominals to actually pull the leg and to touch the arms on each side, like so. I don't want to see any of this stuff going on, okay? Control it all the way through. So from there to there, like so. And so just making sure that you're keeping that tension through the shoulders, through the chest, and through the stomach as well, okay? And that will take anything away from the lower back. You won't get any back problems doing this. Okay, the next one then is going over to, crossing over to the other side. So from there, exactly the same position. All we're going to do this time, keeping the weight forward again, stomach nice and tight. We're going to pull the leg in, touch the opposite arm, like so. So right to left, left to right, all the way through. In that position there. Same again, we're not pushing the weight backwards and like this. Okay, bringing it forward, stomach stays nice and tight, leg to arm, all the way through. And you will feel a tension when you're doing that, okay? So use which one I've given you to do in the program, and then just crack on from there.